Mental health in schools in today's society has become widespread, and as the new school year gets underway, many districts are making sure that school counselors are available to help students. News Channel 8's CJ Macklin sat down with a psychiatrist about some of the signs that parents should be on the lookout for. CJ.
I spoke with multiple mental health professionals, and they tell me that mental health and physical health are equally important. As the school year kicks off in Green Country, mental health in schools has become prevalent.
We have a lot of kids that do seek mental health services here throughout the district, really. We work closely with parents, particularly if a student will come and express a need that they're struggling in some way, whether it's anxiety or depression or something more serious than that.
And anxiety comes in different shapes, forms, and fashions. One of those forms are the age differences in schools. Some elementary students, middle school students, high school and college students react differently.
We often see it with behaviors, and so small kids might show us with their behaviors. They might get real upset, they might grab our parents' legs before they leave, might throw a tantrum, might stop sharing toys. So it's important for us as grown-ups to be real good school detectives. As kids get older, we might see that school-age children are refusing to go to school, might be avoiding school because they're anxious.
Mrs. Coffey also wants parents and students to know that being anxious, sad, and fear sometimes is completely human. But whenever that anxiety, fear, or sadness is getting in the way of going to school or even hanging out with your friends, that's when it's good to check in with the counselor at your school. Family and Children's Services always have personnel at some schools in Green Country, and they would get parental permission before completing any additional information. But they also know parents are going through their own anxiety as school begins.
What contributes to anxiety is the unknown, so creating as much answers to things as we can be in charge of. So going to those back to school events, meet the teachers, schedule pickups, being able to walk the building, kids being able to know what friends they're going to be in class with, getting those things kind of up and ready to go help us anticipate what we might be afraid of in the upcoming year.
The counselor that I spoke with today says in her 15 years here at Jenks High School, she has never heard about confidentiality being broken. Now, if you are looking to seek assistance for the upcoming school year, you can head over to our website at KTUL.com. Live in Jenks, I'm CJ Macklin, News Channel 8.